Looks like the lightning activity is increasing. It is right now Thursday, June 16th, 2022. It's 4:07 p.m. and a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for the Montreal area. And the rain is beginning to fall here. And they're saying there is the potential for hail and possibly a tornado. Well, me personally, I have to get back to work. Here comes those big raindrops. Doesn't look like hail, but it is pretty big raindrops.
Es como el primer aviso.
Here comes the heavy precipitation. And that's my cue to get back indoors. All right, have a good day, everybody.